Well, here we are. We're on the third day now, starting in Llanelwedd, Dyffryn and going all the way to Welshpool today. And we're all right, are we?
Yeah, all good. The spirits are good. Everyone's happy. I think we just want to get on with it now, don't we? And, I mean, it's good banter all the way around. So hopefully everyone's in good spirits and we have a good jokes on the way around.
Here we go, third day. We've done the quarter of it now.
That's it.
Only 175 miles to go. Oh. No, 150 miles to go. Can't even count.
I know.
Because things are just hurting. Everything started to hurt all at once, and I think one bit's trying to compensate for another bit, and then everything starts hurting all at once. But you know, if you just keep chatting, keep focused on the job, then you reach your destination sooner than you think.
The team, the role is to try and keep everybody going, and obviously the walkers get all sorts of problems. But the camera team, who do a fantastic job, work fantastically hard. They do a lot of running, they do a lot of kneeling, carrying very heavy equipment. And here we have young Josh who's got a casualty from it. That should make it a bit more stable. Yeah? And again, we have a clinic in the morning, foot clinic, and we have a clinic at night to try and patch everybody up. And we've got a new patient obviously tonight, but that's great.
Mae pob dod ymlaen gyda'i gilydd, pob yn blaw Grant Elgar, sy'n bach o boen yn dyn. Y ffaith bod o'n ddi-Gymraeg dwi'n rhaid yn helpu chwaith, ond da ni'n medru siarad tu ôl i gefno. Ond mae'r elstyn sinach bach. Iawn? Oce, digon.
Wel, arbennig iawn. Da ni wedi bod yn meiddo cartra'r Eisteddfod 2015 a mi gison ni fles ar ganu. Oedden nhw'n canuon y Brasilian. Oedden nhw'n wych tu hwnt. Croeso beth o'ch sôn, a Llanfyllin, gison ni dillad a ffordd cyfwyd i ginio. Mae pawb wedi bod, mae'r croeso wedi bod yn anhygol.
Just tynnu'r plastar off a dwi'n meddwl bod gen i blister yn y cefn dwi'n meddwl o dan y plastar dwi'n meddwl. Mae'r ddwy yn boenus yn cefn y droed, dweud y gwir. We'll get there.
Mae'n neis. Dwi'n mynd i brifo, really. Dwi'n just eisiau massage. Mae'n neis.
Right, so that's the third day over. We've reached Welshpool. We're all looking forward to tomorrow night, which will be the halfway point, something positive. At the end of the day, after a long day's walk, we've been told that we should sit in an ice bath. So I don't know, I'm going to try anyway. John and Ben are already in there, so I'm going to give it a go. Here we go.
Go for it.
John, enjoy the day?
That was a good day. It's a good day. Everybody walked really well today. These people walked like Trojans, and they just like machines. They walked on and on and on because, you know, it means so much to them. They're really amazing people, these guys, and it's a privilege to be part of this challenge and this trek. It's wonderful.
So get to your pockets and contribute to the total. Thank you very much.